Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is a gas. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as ammonia, ammonia, ammonia. Ammonia is generally harmful in high concentrations and can irritate the eyes, skin, and respiratory system. It's important to handle it with proper safety precautions. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about ammonia, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.